LAEFLAEK 15.6 portable LCD monitor. It's not touchscreen. It is 16 by 9. It is the P15 portable monitor. What you get inside the box are USB-C to C cable, an HDMI cable, and USB-A to C cable. If you want to use your iPhone, which connects with a lightning cable, you're going to have to purchase a different cable, and I don't have that available. You can hook up a gaming system like an Xbox, a PlayStation, whatever gaming systems you have. I have a laptop. I have a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and we're going to compare it to the laptop and make a two screen out of it. Show you how simple this is. But before we go ahead and do that, you get an instruction guide how to hook things up and what things look like. This is the monitor. It has a magnetic screen cover. On the side over here has an HDMI, a USB-C port, two of them, and one will power your port up, and you could power units up with it, and you could just plug in your laptop or plug in a USB-C to a power port and collect power that way. On the other side is your OSD, your return button that presses in, and the menu button that goes up and down and presses in, as well as a earpiece. On the back of the unit, you have 4 speakers located here, and this is the screen. Now, if you've never used one of these, you're trying to figure out how this screen opens up, it's very simple. All you do is just open it, let it fall to the back, pull it out just a little bit, and let it rest like so. You don't have any hooks to hang this on the wall or adhesive, but if you want to put this on the wall, you're going to have to modify or see if the company has anything for that. Please be careful with touching the screen. Your fingerprints will go on there. Now we're going to put this to the side and hook it up to the laptop. My laptop port is located over here on the side. I'm going to change my power, and I'm going to put the USB-C in to the port and run my cable to the unit over here. I'm going to pick one of the ports and plug it in. Now, I don't have to touch anything. As you can see, the unit will come on. We have no signal. Its screen changes, and we have power director that was over here transferred to the screen. In order to get this screen to work, you right-click on it. You go to display. On the main screen, this is the display window opens up, and you set things up accordingly to what you like. It is that simple, very easy plug and play. If we drag this over, you can see me dragging this over. It's going from the 16 by 9 to the 16 by 10 main screen. Now I could do a lot of different things. I could open up and so forth. I have all these programs. Now I could do multitasking. I could open up 2 editors, and I could edit with 2 editors. So I don't have to have just one open. I could do work here on one thing, and I have another editor opened up doing something over there. Now, if this editor didn't open up and it closed, I'll just reopen it over here and drag it in. Now, there you go. So you can see I have 2 different windows open. And now I want to go over here, and I want to just go to the screen. It's a little dark for me. And I could go up and down, and I could change different things of the actual unit. If I want the brightness, I press in on it. I could sharpen it. I could standard, and there's the brightness, raise it up. I could lower it down. I got eco, standard, game, movies, and so forth. There's a lot this dual monitor can do for you. I hope it's something that you're looking for to take care of work on the go. If you want to take your phone that has a USB-C and the proper cables to hook up, you can do so as well and view it on a larger screen, like watching a movie with a number of friends. This thing is very portable and very easy to use. If your phone does reverse charging, then you don't need to plug this in to a USB-C charging port. It'll automatically take the juice off of your phone and so forth. You can use a power bank to run the unit to charge it. There's a lot you can do with these monitors. So I hope this product is something that you're looking for that may be right for you.